Hello guys, this is Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this one AZ engine. So it had a misfire, and after diagnosis it was P0301, that's serial 1 misfire. So I'm going to take you through how we solved this certain problem. So we unplugged the first coil, that's the ignition coil, and we found that the socket had not gripped very well. So I'm going to show you so you can see this white part should be in the socket, not in the ignition coil. So I'm going to remove this whole part. Remember, the ignition coil number should be the same. So in case the ignition coil is dead, make sure you replace with the same number. Okay, so this is the ignition coil. So when you are dealing with this issue, remember also to check the harness of the car if it's well contacted. So I'm going to remove this white part and replace back to the socket. So that's how I'm going to do it until I feel it have gripped well. So then from there I'm going to confirm the harness is okay and turn back the ignition coil. I'm going to grip back the socket and ignite. That's how I solved this. Thank you.